Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is going to be some decorating and house projects. We're mainly going to be working on some projects here in the master bedroom, and the first area we're going to work on is this little alcove that we have in between two of our closets. And this actually used to be a closet, but the bedroom had 4 closets along this one wall, and we did not need that many closets and that many doors on one wall. We're going to take off these doors, take out all these shelves, and I think a couple of you had suggested this as well. And we're just going to leave this as like an open indent in the wall here, and probably just put like, I don't know, a little chair, a little bench in here or something. And then we'll have each of our walk-in closets on either side. It'll be a little bit easier this way, and I think it'll end up looking pretty good. I thought it would be fun to add this little flashback in here of 7 months ago when we decided to remove that closet. Now we'll get back to the present day. We wanted to do something special in here, so today we are finally going to be doing that, adding some wallpaper, a bench, pillows, blanket. The first thing we're going to do is to hang some wallpaper on the back wall, and I got this wallpaper from Wall Blush. It's called the Manhattan. I love how it's kind of a little bit of a concrete look. I just wanted something subtle for this back wall that would still be a nice accent, and this worked out perfectly. This was our first time working with wallpaper, and we had a really good experience. It was really easy to hang up. It was just like a peel and stick type of wallpaper, so we would hang it up there. It's definitely a two-person job though, I'll say that. We hung it up there and then roll it down and then just kind of peel off the back as you're pushing it onto the wall. And it took almost 3 different panels to do this wall, and we would just overlap each panel by like a 1/2 inch, and the pattern would match up perfectly, so you couldn't even tell where it was overlapped unless you get really close. And Wall Blush was kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys if you want to order any wallpaper from them. I'll have the discount code come up here on the screen. This was really fun and it turned out so awesome. I want to try wallpaper on some other walls in the house. I'm thinking maybe in the boys' bathroom, but we'll see. So originally I was just going to wait and put all of this in an official master bedroom makeover video, but a lot of stuff is taking a while to get here in the mail, like my rug. That is still shipping. I'm not sure when that's going to get here, and I'm having a hard time deciding what type of bedding I want until I get that rug on the floor, and that's going to kind of help me decide what colors I want to go with on the bed. So in the meantime, I figured I might as well just film these different projects that we're doing in the master bedroom, and whenever I get this room completely finished, hopefully sometime in December, I can film that official master bedroom makeover. And like every makeover video, I'll take you through the whole process starting all the way back at the very beginning. But we're making progress in here though. This was a big project that we're happy to have completed, and like I said, we love how it turned out. we have that wallpaper hung up on the back wall, we are going to hang a plug-in pendant light. And I got this from Hobby Lobby, and these go 50% off every 2 weeks, so you can get it 50% off of that $79.99, so I did not pay full price. There is a plug-in in this used to be closet, so that worked out perfect to hang up a plug-in pendant light. And this pendant light does come with like little hooks and stuff like I showed you there. So we put the hook in the ceiling, and then it's got a little plastic thing that clips to the wires to hold them in place that your light doesn't slide up and down. Jalen hung up this pendant light in the ceiling here with a little hook, and then he tacked the wire along the top of the ceiling and down the one side to the plug-in. I love how this light looks shining up against the wallpaper. It turned out so good and made this corner really cozy. Once we get this light hung up, we're going to measure for some corbels to put on either side of these corners just to help to round out these square corners, and then we will head out to the shop and build those, get them stained, and then put them up here. Jalen did a really awesome job on these corbels. They turned out so cute. I was just going to buy some pre-made ones from Lowe's. They do sell some like raw wood pre-made corbels that you can buy, but Jalen decided he just wanted to build some out of scrap wood from the shop, and they turned out so good. And they're also extra special because we made them together. Once these were finished, Jalen gave them a quick sanding with a sanding block, and then I came in with our favorite stain color, which is Special Walnut, and I usually just use an old rag to rub the stain into wood. Now I'm going to add this beautiful bench in here, and this bench was a perfect fit. Like, it couldn't have been a more perfect fit for this space. This is the level bench from Article, and a big thank you to Article for partnering with me on this video. They sent us over a few of their furniture pieces to try out, which was very sweet of them. The first one that they sent was this level bench. It was, like I said, the perfect bench for this space. It's got powder coated legs, really good quality, and just a beautiful piece to add here to our bedroom. We're always so impressed by the amazing quality of their furniture and how awesome they package everything. They also sent over their Nira 3-drawer chests in walnut, 2 of those, and then also the Nira media unit, the 63 inches in walnut. We loved how they had those packaged. We just had to unpackage them out of the box, lift them out, and just attach the legs. That was it. Super easy. And then in these boxes was the Leap table lamp in black and then their Lana sheepskin throw. I was going to put the sheepskin throw over here by the bench, but then I decided to take it out and put it on the seat at my piano. I really love having it there. It adds a little something extra and it's really soft to sit on. And then I think I'm going to put the Leap table lamp here on the piano as well. I have their floor lamp in the living room. Our living room is basically all article furniture. We love it all so much. We have 2 of their Sven sofas, which is our favorite spot to take a nap. They're so comfy. And then I love this really pretty leather chair that we have over here by the Christmas tree. So Article makes it really easy to attain a beautiful modern living room or space, and you can still shop with Article online, and they're shipping with contactless delivery right now to ensure everyone stays safe. And Article ships almost anywhere in the USA and Canada for a flat rate of $49, or you get free shipping on orders above $999. So we're going to put this near media unit here underneath of the screen. It'll be a perfect fit there, and I love that this has the soft closed drawers. It's got that subtle chevron wood grain pattern, really pretty. And then these Nira 3-drawer chests, I wanted to do oversized nightstands for our bed, so I thought I could possibly use these chests as a nightstand. These are so pretty, but I think they might be a little bit too big for this wall. I might have to use one in the boys' bedroom for their clothes, and then we could use one in like the guest bedroom or something, and I will just have to keep hunting for some nightstands. Okay, so now I'm finishing up the space with some throw pillows from Target, and then this really pretty blanket with the tassels. I found this at Ross the other day, and now here is the before and after of this little space.
So the last couple of days, this light, for some reason, when you turn everything on, this first can light is a lot dimmer than the rest of them. So I'm going to take it down and I'm going to see what's going on up here. If it's something I can fix, or I may have to just replace the entire thing. I went ahead and half and just replaced this one because I couldn't figure out what was wrong with the other one.
Jalen kindly offered to hang up the curtain rod for this second curtain over here. I had hung up the first one over on the left window and it was such a pain, so he offered to do this one for me. I love these curtain rods that I found at Walmart, but they can be very difficult to hang up. So once he got those screwed into the wall, then I went ahead and put all of the hooks on these curtains and got them put up there on that curtain rod. Like I had said in previous videos, I got these white curtains off of Amazon and they've almost got like little flecks of brown and gray in them. They're just like the perfect perfect white curtain. They're not a stark white, just a nice warm white. And then I just used some black curtain clips from Walmart. And in one of my previous home decorating videos, I asked you if I should hang just one curtain panel on these windows or two, and the majority of you said to hang up 2 curtain panels, so that is what I did here. I was leaning a little bit more towards 2 curtain panels as well myself. I felt like it just helped to fill up this wall a little bit more. So that is going to be it for today's video. It got a little bit shorter than I wanted to be. We were hoping to get some more projects done around the house for this video, but we had a really busy week, and so it just didn't happen. But I hope that you guys still enjoyed this video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and you can also head over and follow me on Instagram for daily updates. And I will see you in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye!